again with a new game that I found. It's called Hybrid Animals, and yeah, right. We're good. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I've just seen pictures of it, so yeah. Let's click new game, I guess. Select a father. I think we'll go with the sloth. And now we need a mother. Oh my god. No, that's not going to happen. Let's go with the sloth and the pufferfish. What will this create? Sloth plus pufferfish equals tree fish. What? Right, let's breed again, guys. Right, let's breed again. Right, should we use a hippo? Right, we'll use me, and I like turtles. Right, turtle and hippo, what do you get? Hippo plus turtle equals hungry lizard. What is that? Special ability I'm going to accept. And what do we do? What? Do I eat this? Why? Is that where she lives? The JoJo person, George. Oh god. Right, sorry about that, guys. George is like freaking screwing me over. Right, no, my animal's gonna die. My animal died. I got killed by a poodle wolf, guys. Right, we've got to choose new animals, I guess. Yeah, we have. Right. Let's have a look if there's any flies, maybe? Is that a person? Oh my god. I don't think there's any fly. Really, there's spiders, snails, and everything. Yeah, there's no flies. There's scorpions, ants. Wow. Right, everyone, start the rage of there's no flies. Start it now. What should we go with, guys? I don't know. Should we try a rhino as the father, and the mother can be an elephant? A rhino and elephant. Surely that's going to be something good. Rhino plus elephant equals the big horned mammoth. Okay, that looks beast. Right, we're off again, guys. Let's not die this time. I'm going to come back like a boomerang. Oh, and by the way, guys, check out a song called Boomerang by JoJo, the person that made the dreaded JoJo bows. Screw off, George. I'm not gay. It's the best song ever. And the poodle wolf killed me. Guys, I think the poodle wolf's the OP animal. Let's see if we can... No way. Let's use the T-Rex and the snail. Oh my god, this will be beast. T-Rex plus snail equals... the prehistoric slug. That looks retarded as... Oh my god, we've got to use this. George, you must get this game. Literally, guys, tell your friends to get this. Like, literally, just do it. Oh, we can run quicker than it, can't we? Oh, no. Don't be angry. No! The poodle wolf! Damn it! Right. Let's go with, guys. I don't know how, George. I don't know how to make a poodle. Right. You also have to use the wolf. And then there must be a poodle somewhere. Surely there's a poodle somewhere. Is that it? Poodle, accept. We should get a poodle wolf, guys. Wolf plus poodle equals timber dog. Don't tell me you have to do it the other way around. You know what? I'm just gonna try the timber wolf or timber dog. Oh, for God's sake, this look animal, man. Where is the thing? Don't kill me. We look the same. Oh, it's stuck, guys. It's stuck. It got stuck. Eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it. Did we get it? Did we kill it? What? So you're telling me it just came back like a boomerang? Okay, I'm going to stop now. Flip off! You gave up. Wow! Respawn. What should we use, guys? I don't even know. I was about to call that a Viking. An owl, because it looks derp. Let's choose the derpiest things we can find. Right. Let's use the derp owl and the Harambe. Owl plus Harambe equals hooting ape. Oh my god. Except this is gonna look retarded as. Come on. Hey, level up. Okay, right. Right, level up again. We're doing well. Put that accuracy up again because we are not even getting up any. Like, oh, I don't know. Hit that. Do you get XP for getting this? Oh, that must get you something if you get this. It looks massive. Hey, level up. Okay, guys, we're understanding the game now. Okay. We're nearly level 5. Try to kill that. So basically, guys, just get this game. It's just the game of games. Right, next, let's try level up now to upgrade our damage. Because I think we've got to attack the accuracy to the max it can go. Okay, right, we've got a berry and some XP. That will help. Yeah. Okay, wait. What? No ads, thank you. Oh, no. Right, we can go one more on the accuracy. Right, let's get that accuracy all the way up. Because, yeah, sort of doing a bit crap on the accuracy, aren't we? Yeah, so shout out to whoever made this. I think it was Unity Games. Like, please, Unity, make more games like this. Half your games just make me rage. Make more games like this. Ooh! Okay, right. Now we're going to get our damage up. Because we don't do much damage. Yeah, we kind of do no damage at all. Right, guys, I think it's time, to take on another animal once we've upgraded our damage about twice, okay? So when we hit, 3 times. When we hit level 10, we'll do it. Right, so up goes the damage. Right, now we just need to level up twice. That's the way. What? Crafting. But guys, we've made something. We've made this. George, stop. And then, guys, what we're going to do is, because we've got a pickaxe, we can break rocks. George! Yeah. Right. I'll plug in my mic. Right, guys, 1 second. Well, no, I'll still be here talking to you guys. It's just getting a bit stupid now. George is making a retardedly crackly noise, so yeah. Yeah, I just had to unplug my mic, guys, because George was making a very retardedly crackly sound. George! Oh, get rid of Zane. Oh. Right, sorry, guys. I was blaming George and it was Zane with his crappy mic. He literally is the bootleg of all. His mic's crap. Right, sorry guys, back to the game. Right. Oh, we're level 10. Did I upgrade my damage 3 times? Right, we'll get to level 11 because I don't know if I did or not. Shouldn't take long. Really, if you break that, it doesn't do any... Wow. I'll take that as an offense to Africa. Oh, for God's sake. Right, guys, we're going to go take someone on, okay? Right, get the pickaxe off. Right, we're off, guys. Let's go take on this thing. Did we get it? Guys, we killed something. We did it. Mission successful. Oh, yes, then our health goes up as well. Guys, we're doing really good now, okay? Right, I'm going to end the video soon, though. Oh, God, level up. Damage up. Damn it, I've not got any points left. Right. I might just go take on something stupid and so it kills me, okay? Because, like, I need to end the video. No. Where is something? There's nothing. There's literally nothing here. I reckon that would be pretty funny to take on us to do it. Right, we died, guys. Right, that's the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed. Like, subscribe if you're new, and yeah. Bye.